Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share your Instagram highlight link. Whether you're looking to showcase your best moments or promote your business, sharing highlights is a fantastic way to engage your audience. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look just under your bio for the section labeled Highlights. Here, you'll find all the highlights you've created. Now, click and hold on the highlight that you want to share. This will prompt a menu to appear, giving you several options. From this menu, select Copy Link. This action will copy the link to that specific highlight directly to your clipboard. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the link has been copied successfully. Now that you have the link copied, it's time to share it wherever you want. You can paste this link into messages, emails, or even other social media platforms. Just tap and hold in the text field where you want to share it, and select Paste. Your highlight link is now ready to be shared with friends, family, or followers. Remember, sharing highlights is not just about showing off. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged with content that matters most to you. Whether it's travel experiences, special events, or product showcases, highlights help tell your story in a visually appealing way. In summary, sharing your highlight link on Instagram is a straightforward process. By following these simple steps, opening the app, accessing your profile, selecting the highlight, copying the link, and sharing it, you can easily connect with others and enhance your online presence. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you effectively share your Instagram highlights and engage with your audience like never before. Happy sharing!